Hey guys, so I just checked the mail. Let me turn the TV down. Hold on. So I just checked the mail and I received this package from Duval. I think that's how you say it. Duvoli.com. They sent me this Radiance Spin Care System facial brush, and I'll have like the website on the screen so you guys can see. This retails for I think $95, and I'm excited to try it out because I have been looking for a good like facial brush. I was using the one from Bandy Planet, but it just stopped working after a while, and right now I'm using one that I got from TJ Maxx, and I really like it, so I'm excited to try this one. So let's open it up. So yeah, I'm excited to try this because like I said, I'm always looking to try new like skincare stuff. So let me, y'all cannot see me that great. Okay, so it comes with 4 deep cleansing brushes. It has a cleaning brush, I guess for like every day. Then it has an exfoliation, has a pumice brush. I never understand what these ones are for though. Like I always think about my feet when I see these. Anyways, so a pumice stone, facial cleansing brush, large body cleansing brush, and a facial exfoliation brush. Comes with a little like information pamphlet, and so it explains the 4 brushes that it comes with. They're really tiny. They're soft. This one's the everyday brush, I think. Then there's the a little bit tighter exfoliator brush. And then the pumice stone, which I don't know what this is for. Somebody comment down below and let me know what's the pumice stone. So let's see. Okay, so it tells you everything. Okay, so it has the exfoliation brush, like we know what that's for. The body brush, facial cleansing brush, and it has like definitions of what they're for. So, like I thought, the pumice stone is for rough skin. Prior to use, it's for your feet. It's for your feet, which is cool. That's cool. So yeah, I don't think I showed you guys. This is what the it feels really nice and sturdy. Like it doesn't feel cheap or anything. It has the name on it, Duvoli. I don't know if I'm saying that right. So yeah, you just take, for example, you just take the brush head and you just snap it into the little thing. And then obviously you put your batteries in, and I'm excited. I like the fact that it's small, so that I can really work into the areas of my face and like the small areas here. Ooh, I'm excited. Let me get some batteries. So you open it, like you slide. Okay. It doesn't have a good smell. That's weird. That's the inside, but it's what it looks like. It stinks though. Babe, what does it smell like? It smells like, tell me what this smells like. This is brand new. I opened it up.
It smells like ass.
What does it smell like? It smells like fish. I don't know if that's a concern.
Fishy.
Let me see. I don't know if that's just like the plastic or what. It smells like fish. No, this is where the batteries go. There you go. It's spinning.
How can I feel it?
I'm gonna wash the brush. Oh, it feels good, you guys.
Mommy, can I try it?
Oh, wow.
Mom, can I feel it?
It feels really good. Like,
Mom, can I feel it?
it's weird because the other one, hold on. The other one that I have, I don't know how to explain the way that this is. Maybe because the brush head is smaller. Like, I feel like it's gonna get a really nice clean. Ooh. Hey guys, so it's a little bit later in the day, and I just really want to try the skin system out. So I look really bright right now because of the bathroom lights. So don't mind that. Let's see. Okay, so I'm just like really interested to see how it works. So I'm gonna go ahead and wrap my hair up. Okay, so I'm taking it out of the package, like I showed you guys earlier. And I'm just gonna wet my face. So I'm just gonna put my towel on like this so that any water or whatever can just drip down on me. The water is warm. Just gonna wet my face. Yeah, I'm gonna take, I don't even know which one is like the everyday. Okay, the cleansing one is like the darker shade of white. So I'm just gonna attach it here. And I'm gonna use my Equate Beauty like I used in my skincare, my lazy skincare routine. So my face feels really clean. I hope you guys can see me good enough. So my face feels really clean. I really like the fact that the brushes are small, so I'm able to get like my nose really good because I do have a nose ring, so I'm able to, oh, look at my skin. My pores look so, like, look at that. I should have did like a before and after, but I have been doing really good with my skincare. So my skin feels clean. Like it feels really clean. Sorry guys, but my camera died. So that facial spin brush, I don't know, I'm like really shocked because maybe it's just because I haven't tried like a lot of different spin brushes, but my skin feels squeaky clean, like squeaky clean. Now I like the other one, don't get me wrong. I love the one that I got from TJ Maxx because, and I have a pimple coming in, y'all. And it does hurt. I like the one that I got from TJ Maxx, but I've had it for about 2 months now, and it still works pretty good, but I noticed that like the part that the battery goes in, it keeps popping open while I'm using it, and I don't like that. And like I said, the brush head is a lot bigger. In case you missed my last video, I used this Bella Beauty facial spin brush, and see how it keeps popping open right here? I don't know why it keeps doing that, and it doesn't want to close, like it's weird. But this is how, like this is a huge brush, so it's a lot harder to get into this area here. And I also, you know, I want to make sure I'm cleaning my entire face. So with that little brush, like my face feels squeaky clean. And they also have hairstyling tools, which I had no idea. So I'm excited. I might go on the website and try and order like a hair wand because I really need another like hair wand, curling iron, and I saw that they had some really nice looking ones, so I'm gonna look and do my research on those. So yeah, you guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this quick little, I guess, first impression review type of video. Guys, good morning. So it's the next day now, and I just wanted to get on here and show you guys my face. I feel like my face looks really bright and super clean, and honestly, this is my face from just waking up. Like, I just woke up and I didn't even wash my face, to be honest. I'm about to take my daughter to school really quick, so I'm just throwing on these shades, and yeah, my skin looks really nice. So I'm excited to see how the Radiance Skin Care System works on my skin after multiple uses. So yeah, like I said, if you want to purchase one, it will be in the description box. The link will be in the description box, as well as a coupon code so that you guys can get one for 70% off. And if you do get one, definitely let me know in the comments and let me know how it worked for your skin. So hope you guys have a great day. I'm gonna go ahead and take baby girl to school, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.